All right, here we go. Working on 2013 Ford Expedition. Got a Dorman product here, part number 626-585. Going to be replacing the upper heater hose with an OE replacement. It's got the aluminum T-fitting here, which looks to be a lot better than original equipment. Metal clamps still have a plastic here for the reducer. We had found this issue by getting in the car, starting it up. It sounded like there was water sloshing under the dash. Did a little research thanks to YouTube. Found that when we popped the hood, there was coolant sitting on top of the coil pack. So this is what started it. We're going to change this hose out. Leave the lower one because it's not leaking. So why replace it if it's not broke, right? Here we go. Starting at the front, 7mm. Loosen off on this clamp. We've already depressurized the system by releasing the radiator caps. We are expecting to lose some coolant here, but we've got drain pans in place. That's it. All right, we're back. We fought the quick connectors off finally. The one up under the dash is a lot more difficult, but get the concept. Squeeze, tabs, and pull it off. Now we're going back with a new one. Yeah, a little 5-pound pull test. Make sure we're set. Feels like it. Off to the lower. Five-pound pull test, we're good. Clamp. All right, we're gonna top the system off and fire it up, check for leaks.